Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, let's see how can you fix your Chromecast Google TV which is showing no signal and blinking red light. So here's a guide for your setup and restore. Fix 1. Initial power and input check. Plug the Google streaming device directly into the power using its original cord and the adapter. Verify the TV is switched to the matching active input such as HDMI 1 and HDMI 2. Fix 2. Reboot the streaming device the right way. Unplug the power cord, wait for 1 minute and plug it back in. Unplug the actual power cord, not the video HDMI cable attached to the TV. Fix 3. Remove all HDMI devices and power cycle the TV. Remove all HDMI devices plugged into your TV. Unplug the TV's power cord from the wall outlet for exactly 30 minutes. Fix 4. You need to fix no signal plus blinking red or orange light. Shut down the TV completely, disconnect power and unplug the streaming device. Turn the TV on, power the streaming device and wait for 30 seconds before connecting. Plug the device into the TV's HDMI port and switch to that port. Fix 5. Test the device on a different TV. Set up the Google streaming device on a second HDMI compatible TV. This test isolates whether the fault is with the device or your original TV. Fix 6. Fix an HDMI specific black screen error. Ensure the HDMI cable fits firmly and check that both the devices have current firmware. Verify your HDMI extension cable fully supports 4K, that is, it should have HDMI 2.0 for Chromecast and HDMI 2.1 for streamer. Fix 7. Fix an HDCP specific black screen error. For that, you need to unplug the streaming device, then reboot both the Google device and TV or the receiver hardware. Firmly reconnect the cable or bypass intermediate switches or AVRs by plugging directly into the TV. Test with alternative HDMI inputs if handshake errors persist on the original port. Fix 8. Check for a Samsung TV specific setting. Disable the HDMI UHD color setting in your Samsung television's menu. This resolves issues where the TV intermittently drops the signal for a few seconds. Specifically correct signal negotiation glitches on Samsung 4K models. Fix 9. Factory reset as your last resort. Hold the streamer's back button for 10 to 12 seconds until the LED turns solid white. For Chromecast, hold the back button or navigate settings to factory reset. So here's a warning that this resets the device requiring full Wi-Fi and setup configuration. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and also do hit the subscribe button.